battery, and that gun you see there fires 27 kilometers, so into Morocco. From here to Morocco, only 24 kilometers, yeah? That gun was a very, very accurate gun, much ahead of its time. The lighthouse you see here, built in 1841, shines 37 kilometers into the straits, and it's the only lighthouse operated by the UK outside of the UK. Now if we stop in here, Morocco is directly in front here, Spain is here to your right, okay guys? If we stop in here for around 50
Gibraltar.
Here we are, Spain and Morocco. Spain to one side, Africa, Morocco to the other side. Gibraltar, Rock of Gibraltar. It's a little hard to see there, about 24 kilometers, but that is Africa, Morocco. And you see that opening straight there, the Mediterranean to the Atlantic Ocean. And then of course that is Spain. Spain, Spain, Spain. And it's going to be Spain until we get right here. We're in Gibraltar, which is United Kingdom. And of course there is your Rock of Gibraltar, United Kingdom. So 3 countries, 2 continents right here, Europe and Africa. Here's if you want to take a good look at, and here is your rugby, Gibraltar Rugby Club. Real nice facility, artificial grass, and there's one of your professional rugby players. Very nice, very nice. Gibraltar Rugby Club. Looks like they may have a match today. It is a holiday, Memorial Day in the United States, some sort of different holiday here in Gibraltar. And the Queen's
crude oil, your ship will not be parked today here. You will not be here today. Everything would have been black, yeah?
Wow.
So it was full of steel bars. So luckily we took it all out. We took out, because it's just filled up with diesel here. So we had to vacuum out all the diesel, but that we just filled it up with. And all the pipes going to the desalination plant got burnt. And we were 2 months without no fresh water here on the Rock of Gibraltar. Yeah? So we had to bring all the fresh water in from Spain in tankers, yeah? But you see here, you see just here, there's a hole with a black, you can see it just behind the trees here. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's quite a small hole. See it here just behind the truck. You see the black?
Yes.
That's where the fire was coming out. Yeah?
Wow.
So, two bad incidents here in less than 3 months. Yeah? But also, thank God. Right? Became a World Heritage Site. Yep, it is a World Heritage Site. We're not allowed to touch it. 10 years old, and the skull is believed to be 39,000-year-old skull. All the houses, all the buildings you see here, inside the rock, that is all military. Okay, no one will be allowed here. Okay, in if you're not up there.
He's taking a sun bath.
Okay.
The monkey.
He's just woken up, huh? And you notice that there's nothing on this side of the rock, right now? Okay, now, from this here onwards, everything will be done on this side of the rock. All our reclamation projects had to be done on this side of the rock. The way we've started the tour, yeah, through the town center, we are not allowed to reclaim on that side anymore. And I will explain why when we get to the top of the rock, okay? But all the tunnels are all connected one with each other. From this tunnel here, you can go all the way up to the top of the rock, 426 meters high. Also to sea level, yeah? All connected one with each other. Now, I mentioned before about the water. Now that we're on this side, we used to collect it from the rain, yeah? Something known as the water catchments, right? There was coronating sheeting coming down the Rock of Gibraltar, and the water used to slip through it into some tanks, right? You can see the ship here now very close, yeah?
Oh yeah.
But you see here, all this flat coming down like this, that's how we used to collect our drinking water. All inside that is tanks, not in use anymore. Okay, guys? It's at the top, yeah? It's a balcony with a glass on it.
Yeah.
Stand up, looking down.
Take a look down.
Not for me. I like my foot on solid ground. The half is going to be known as the Hilton Hotel.
Oh my
Yeah?
gosh.
Crashed ship, sinking ship. They're tearing it apart.
Five horses. Okay.
Climbing the Rock of Gibraltar.
We are allowed to do on this side of the rock, and we're not allowed to build anymore on this side by the British government.
Queen's Spot.
Everything you see in France is Spain. Okay, you see like a jay of stone on there. That is our frontier, separating Gibraltar from Spain.
We are entering St. Michael's Cave inside the Rock of Gibraltar. Very pretty. Most interesting that the Rock of Gibraltar is actually has about 130 caves in it, and it's hollow. So you talk about the Rock of Gibraltar, you're talking about a hollow rock.
Of Kentucky. No, it's not Kentucky. Kentucky's mammal. Not a mammal.
St. Michael's Cave. Here we go.
I think we should redo our backyard.
Here we go.
We should redo our backyard like this.
There we go. Monkey. Just taking it easy on the Rock of Gibraltar. Any other monkeys?
Look at me. Thank you. 17 here, okay, darling? Thank you.
Monkeys are here. This is where they like to be.
Oh, look at this, he's posing.
Alright. Got good balance there.
Yeah.
Where you at, Rhonda?
Oh, hi guys. All right, let's go back to our bus.
Just now saw the bus.
Where British government feeds the monkey. At Prince Ferdinand's Battery. So they're vegetarians. They only get bananas about every third day. Every third day.
If it cannot land, circle round the rock, tries it again. On the third attempt, if it cannot land here, then it has to get diverted to Malaga, around 2 hours away from.
The only way into Gibraltar by land.
99.9% of Gibraltar
The only
voted to
way in
remain
by
British.
land.
Only
is from
44
Spain, right
people
there
voted to
at
become
the border.
Spanish. Yeah,
Sights and sounds of downtown Gibraltar. Downtown Gibraltar. 35,000 people live here, and 0.2% unemployment. A lot of Moroccans come over, stay the week, and then go back home on Friday to visit their family, and come back Monday morning on the ferry.
Well, still 15, yeah.
Here we go for a pub stop in Gibraltar. Got a French beer and an Irish beer. We've got David Bowie going on. We've got shopping outside. Time for a cool. The bars of Gibraltar. More streets of Gibraltar. National Bank. Wine shop. Newton Store. Marks and Spencer. Downtown Gibraltar. Okay, Center City, Gibraltar, Angry Friar. Actually on a street with automobiles can pass. You can drive all around Gibraltar in about 10 minutes, the whole country, or excuse me, the whole part of Gibraltar. Part of the UK. Yep, better be ready. So folks will ease on through these intersections. It's okay. And even Gibraltar, you just follow the blue buildings back. Follow the blue buildings, a straight shot back to the cruise ships, if that's the way you came. But population is going up in Gibraltar, so they have to just keep building up, up, up. There's no out to to Gibraltar. You can't go over into Spain, and you can't go into the Mediterranean, obviously. No more space. You can go around the whole island in 10 minutes. It's amazing you even need a bus. So here we go, heading back, leaving Gibraltar. Better have some ID or your cruise card with you, or medallion. Heading back to the port, and we will leave here. Be at sea tomorrow, but Gibraltar, nice little city here. Nice little city. It's amazing that the people have stayed here, families have stayed here for centuries in this part.